Here at Lord's, we understand that students transition into prep with a variety of backgrounds, interests and experience. We really take the time to focus on the whole child here at Lord's, emotionally, spiritually, physically, culturally and academically. Our prep program is filled with experiential learning through play, curiosity and exploration. Children engage in a variety of hands-on activities that grow and develop their early literacy and numeracy skills. They are encouraged to ask questions and use their creative and critical thinking skills to solve problems and make a positive difference in our world.
If the children arrive early at school, they get a chance to play with their friends outside. Then when it's time for school to begin, they put their hats and their water bottles away and line up outside the classroom. They will then follow their teacher inside to start the day with their morning devotion.
I like playing in the sandpit and being the VIP.
In prep, we cover the key areas of the Australian National Curriculum. We have a strong focus on developing foundation skills for literacy and for numeracy. Our program is personalised to meet the individual needs of our students. Students have opportunities to work in small group settings where they get to engage in lots of fun, hands-on activities and games that are tailored to challenge and support them as needed.
Our students engage in a variety of social emotional learning programs. They are introduced to and learn about themselves and how to positively interact with others. We use circle time to build positive relationships and help to create collaborative and safe classrooms.
I like prep because we do Christian studies. I like playing in the home corner and working.
Play is the Way is a very practical program used across our junior school to teach positive social and emotional skills using guided games and play, classroom activities and the development of common language. These key concepts are taught explicitly to grow and develop the personal and social capabilities of our students.
Our prep students also have the opportunities to be involved in a wide range of college activities. This includes specialist lessons such as music, health and physical education and Japanese. They attend chapels and assemblies and are included in special days such as carnivals and theme days.
The prep children have their own eating area that is supervised by familiar staff. They enjoy the adventure playground and sandpit to themselves for first break. And at lunch they have the opportunity to play with the Year 1 and Year 2 children.
Health and physical learning is an important part of the prep curriculum. The perceptual motor program is a movement-based program which helps younger students improve their eye-hand and eye-foot coordination, fitness, balance, locomotion and eye-tracking skills. Students participate once a week in a variety of fun activities.
Our prep classrooms are equipped with the latest flexible furniture. They have a designated home corner and a wide range of play equipment which encourages creativity and curiosity in our students. Each prep class is set up with interactive whiteboards and there is a bank of iPads for the students to use. Each class also has a friendly, experienced prep teacher and a full-time teacher aide.
It's fun in prep and I like to do science and activities and free play and playing with my friends.
But most importantly, we want our students here at Lord's to have a love of learning. And the best way that we can do that is working in partnership with our families to ensure that all of our students can flourish and develop a real passion for learning. Welcome to Prep at Lord's.